we are going to talk about Marcello, Sonata, Adagio, and Allegro. First movement is Adagio, eighth equals 66. Not quarter equals 66. So, which means you need to subdivide the beats. So when you see the quarter note, it will be 2 beats, and dotted quarter will be 3 beats. So that at the beginning we have 2 groups of dotted rhythms. So we can see the shortest note has a staccato, but you don't need to make that staccato really staccato. It's a more likely gesture. So both stroke will be long, short, but still your cello ringing. Okay. So here measure 5 with a pickup, I decided to use all the way D string instead of string crossing to make the color same. So here D, E, and then or there can be lots of different ways of fingerings, but the main idea is stay in the same string. Okay? And then the bow stroke is the same as the first measure. 1, 2, off. Pick up to measure 6. It's the same as a pickup to measure 5, but we need to make the melody is going higher, so we need to more present. So make it a little bit more crescendo to it. That's the pick and the vibrato. And then from the pickup, come down to the mezzo piano. Off. Off. So measure 10, I decided to stay on a D string. Okay, to keep the same color. Middle of measure 11, pick up to the trill section. That's one section, and then pick up to another one, and then to the another one. So we need to make each section differently, so make it crescendo. Step 2. movement, allegro. Quarter notes equal 84, so definitely it's faster than the first movement, but try not to rush. The beginning, start with a pickup note, always breathe first, and then set your bow on the string and start. So definitely the 16th note should be ringing sound instead of very rough and short. So you are doing, put your bow on the string, it's a little bit more bow and then speed on your bow. So at the beginning, for example, instead, definitely different sound. So mostly light bow and more bow. And the 16th also same. Instead, okay. And then breathe. So pickup is very needed to be clear. End of measure 4 through 3 measures, we have forte and piano. So make sure you open the sound on the forte and then back off on the piano section. So end of measure 4, forte. It's exactly same rhythm and the melody, so you need to change something different. So dynamic is gonna be the different one. Okay, so forte. The same thing, the second one. So second half of second movement is mostly same idea at the beginning. Pick up to measure 16 is all about eighth notes. There will be different fingerings, a different position you can use. The first one, you can just use the first position. Or you can start with the B on D string. And then A also, D string. Because the dynamic is here, piano. So if you use the D string, it will be more warm and a soft sound you can provide. Okay, so after the section of 16th area here, you have some rest movement on 2/8 notes. The third beat of measure 21, that is the spot you can actually relax of your left hand. So 21 will be, and then 2/8 note. So you can use a little bit more bow and then relax. From there, you need to build build up dynamically because the melody is going up. So from measure 22, and then change the color. Of course, the practice with the metronome is the key, but please practice with under tempo and then go up to fast tempo eventually. So please enjoy this Marcello Sonata.